Okay, tonight's dinner, chicken fried chicken. So here, smash chicken flat. Bring it over. 1 egg with a batter. I'm going to batter it up like I do with my fish, which usually comes out pretty good. Just a little egg to hold the stuffing on. Then we got my mixture for the coating, some flour, and pulverized secret ingredients. Don't tell anybody. But this time I'm using banana nut Cheerios. So I mix this up pretty good. Swap it around there, give it a little flavor, a little coating. I have frying pan, medium high, just covering the bottom with some salt and pepper. Let me go ahead and see how this goes. I'll get a piece of chicken, a little bit of egg to help hold on the stuff. I have 3 chicken breasts here. Put on the coating on the outside. I'll just cook up one right now, I guess. I don't know, maybe I'll do another one. Nice and coat it there and lay it in the frying pan. Real good like that. See, it's frying up nice and good. Temperature's good. I don't want too much oil in there. I'll go ahead and get another one going. I only got 3 breasts, so I think I got room for another one in there. So I'm at home in Minnesota with my dog Bailey, who's looking out the patio door right now, ready to start barking. So if you hear a dog bark, it's Bailey. Okay, let me rinse off my fingers, get my Cheerios off of there. Let's see what the weather's like on this Friday. I think it's, yep, snowing again. It's Minnesota, what do you expect? Let me go ahead and get my utensil to manipulate the chicken. So I'll keep it in the oil. And if it wants to, oh, that looks good. Oh yeah. This is working pretty good. Give it a little crunchy crust. Nice thin chicken, so kind of maintain our diet a little bit. One last piece here. Let me just the last of the egg. Sorry for all the camera malfunctions. And then once again, we rinse off my egg. What not waste a lot. Don't forget the chicken is cooking. Quality, good times. I'm going to play a guessing game here. The camera comes out. You can guess what the topping is made of. Once again, is yep. Put up here with the rest of our secret topping ingredients. Again, quality is easy to maybe tell. This is coming out pretty good. I do say to myself, but I think that's good. Not too good, not too juicy. Temperature's about right. Bailey, I have to call Bailey over so he won't go barking. Looks good. And I guess this is okay.